How to fix iPhone stuck on red battery. If your iPhone is stuck on charging screen, then to solve this issue, this video is for you. The first thing you need to do is you have to change your cable of your charger. Once you do that, your problem might get solved. The second method is to change your battery. If you are using same battery since long time, then this might cause this issue. So change your battery to see if the issue will get solved or not. The third option is to use a dryer. Whenever your phone gets heated, you have to use a dryer to cool it down. Once you follow all of this step, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.